The MG ZS is currently one of the most popular vehicles in Australia, with an average of 3,500 of them sold across the country each month. And with styling like this and a price point beginning around $23,000, it's easy to see why. But behind the shiny exterior, just how safe is the MG ZS? Let's take a look. For this, we'll be using ANCAP results provided by the Australasian New Car Assessment Program, which is the standard here in Australia. Overall, the MG ZS rates pretty well, achieving a 4-star ANCAP rating under the testing conducted in 2017. This 4-star rating applies to ZS models produced from 2017 through to the current model in 2022. Given the MG ZS doesn't have blind spot monitoring or lane support system as standard, 4 stars is the maximum rating that the ZS could have achieved under the ANCAP criteria, which it's done. That's put the ZS on par safety-wise with the Hyundai Venue, Citroën C5 Aircross, Volkswagen Amarok and Hyundai Palisade, which all come in with a 4-star ANCAP safety rating. So overall, 4 stars from the MG ZS is a good result. Now it is worth noting that there is another option. The MG HS is fitted out with a few more options and has undergone more recent Euro NCAP and ANCAP testing, achieving a 5-star safety rating. This is thanks mainly to the addition of auto emergency braking, lane keep assist and the pedestrian avoidance system. The HS also has many more additional comfort features, however comes at a price increase upwards of $12,000. Either the MG ZS or MG HS ticks the boxes for me, providing overall safety and peace of mind.